What's up everybody, it's Johnny and I am back today to talk about taxes. Specifically in today's video, I am talking about tax penalties. Taxes are bad enough. You do not want to pay penalties in addition to taxes. The good news is with a little education on how penalties work, you can avoid big penalties related to taxes and hold on to more of your hard-earned money. And that is what today's video is going to be all about. Remember, I am a CPA, but I am not your CPA. So always consult with your own accountant on your own specific situation. So here we go, let's get into it. It has been reported that as of April 8th, the IRS received more than 103 million tax returns. Now that's a lot, but there were still millions who had not yet filed and there were only 10 days left to do it. Well, the tax deadline of April 18th has come and gone, and I think there's a good chance that many still have not yet filed their taxes. So, here we go. What are the penalties for late taxes? As always, I'm going to break this down in a very clear and concise way for you. But really quickly, before I dive into all of this, click that subscribe button so you do not miss out on any videos that may help you in the future. Thank you. All right, there are two penalties related to filing and paying taxes, and they are as follows. Number one, the failure to file penalty. Number two, the failure to pay penalty. I'll start with the worst one, the failure to file penalty. I'll come right out and say it. The IRS does not like when taxpayers do not file their taxes. The penalty for late filing is 5% of unpaid balance per month, capped at 25%. So, is everyone subject to this penalty if you do not file by April 18th? The short answer is no. If you are due a refund, there is no penalty. Also, if you filed a tax extension by the deadline of April 18th, there is no penalty for late filing. Those who are subject to the failure to file penalty are those who 1. Owe taxes, and 2. Did not file a tax extension by April 18th. If that sounds like someone you know, the IRS is saying to file as soon as possible to avoid any additional penalties and interest. All right, now is a good time to talk about one of the biggest misconceptions that I see all the time in the tax world. That is very wrong and could cost a lot of money, and it's time to clear up that confusion. An extension to file taxes is not an extension to pay taxes. Filing a personal tax extension extends the time of filing to October. But if a taxpayer owes tax, that tax is due April 18th no matter what. So, with that said, let's get into the second penalty, the failure to pay penalty. The failure to pay penalty is 0.5% of unpaid tax per month, capped at 25% of taxes owed. The IRS is definitely more harsh on those who do not file as opposed to those who do not pay, as the failure to file penalty, again, is 5% per month, and the failure to pay penalty is 0.5% per month. Either way, if taxes are owed, it's bad enough, and I don't think anyone wants to pay penalties and interest on top of it. So, to wrap all this up, in conclusion, if you did not file your taxes yet, I think it's a good idea to get it done as soon as possible, especially if you believe that you may owe taxes upon completion of the return. And remember, an extension to file is not an extension to pay. If taxes are due with your tax return, you need to pay them as soon as possible. If paying taxes are an issue, there are payment options that may be set up with the IRS, such as an installment plan. All right, everybody, I hope you enjoyed this video. I will be back soon with another one. So again, please click that subscribe button so you do not miss out. Thank you very much and have a great day.